One of the big misconceptions that I have when folks come into my office is that they believe, or they always question, whether a revocable living trust can be a tool for asset protection. They say, well, can that protect me if the state wants to come after me because I have to go into a nursing home? And the simple answer to that question is no. Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to explain to you why a revocable living trust is not really an asset protection tool. So a revocable living trust, the way that you want to look at it, it's a contract. And if it's revocable, it's a contract typically between the grantor or settlor, the trustee, and the beneficiaries. And for most folks, they're all the same people when the trust is established. The person who settles the trust is also the trustee, is also the beneficiary until such time as they pass away. Can be set up differently, but that is typically the way it's done. These trusts are typically for probate avoidance, so you don't have to go to court should you pass away or when you pass away, because none of us are going to get out of here without that. So the way that you want to look at a trust is like a box or a wagon. You can put things into it or you can take things out of it. And what you do, and the way you should look at it, is anything that is titled in the trust is part of the trust property. But the rule is, if you can get at the property, you as the trustor, or you as the trustee, or you as the beneficiary, if you have access to the property, then your creditors have access to the property, because you can easily go into there, take that property out, liquidate it, and pay off the creditor, whether it's because of an accident, whether it's because of a debt, whether it's no matter what it is. So, revocable living trusts are not asset protection trusts. The concept is this: if you want to protect your assets and you want to have your assets inside of the trust, you can't have access to that property. Somebody has to block your access to the property. And one of the ways that folks do it when they're trying to protect is they will have an irrevocable trust. That means that the trust cannot really be changed and you don't have access to the trust property. But if you don't have access, then you don't have flexibility. If you don't have access, you are given control to somebody else who will make the decisions regarding your stuff. That is for another video, but it's something that you really need to think about. If you want asset protection, then you're not going to have as much control. You're going to give up control to somebody else. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.